Hi everyone. Today, quick demo on the latest feature from Lightning Rails, the code generators. So the first code generator that we have is directly in the setup of Lightning Rails. First thing I'm going to do is just clone the repo and call it maybe Airbnb demo. That's going to be really fast. And then the next step, as you can see here, is to run a script. So I just go to my Airbnb demo project, copy paste this here. That's going to run some setup. It's going to ask me, do you want to create a new repository? Yes. Enter the name of your repository. I'm going to call it demo. Okay, so that created the GitHub repository. And now it asks me for the company name. So in here, I would recommend to add the actually legal company name, because this will be added to the terms and conditions already created for you and the privacy and stuff like that. So let's imagine that it's Acme Incorporated LLC. And then the company website, also very important, because it's going to be added to the metas and to the config of the app. If you don't have a website for the moment, you can leave it just to a random one and add it later. So HTTPS, my website.com. Okay, so now it's installing the gems, creating the database with the proper naming. Okay, so that's the first setup. So if I do dev and I open my server, now I have all this created. It comes with Lightning Rails, already with a light and dark theme. We already have a sign up. The thing is that, I don't know if you're like me, but I don't really like passwords. So what I want to do is to create a magic link. And the magic link is going to prompt an email and then send a unique link with a token to the email. And then the user will be able to log in with that. No need for passwords. So we have two options here. Before this latest feature, we had to go to the documentation, go to automatic emails, choose which one you want. Lately, I've been preferring Resend more than Postmark. So we go to Postmark, and then you would have to follow the steps, right? Like add the gem, bundle install, config, all this stuff. But I had to do this for all of my apps, and I'm creating a lot of apps lately, so it started to become a bit repetitive. So I said, let's create a setup script for basically all this documentation. So I started with the automatic emails. You can go here and you see that it's recommended to use the code generator. So I would just go bash generators, setup resend, press enter, and now it's installing basically what you see in the setup, but for you. It's asking me what is your API key for Resend. So I already created an account, and here I have my API key. I just copy paste it, and boom, it already did all the code for me. So it can tell you restart your server so that you have all the gems working, test by sending a new user, and check your recent dashboard to see if actually it's sending. These latest parts are optional because we'll actually do visual testing. I have another setup for Magic Link signup, right? Which is what I want to do today. So I'll just go to bash setup, generators, setup magic links.sh. And it's same concept. Oh, I did a typo. Generators, setup magic link. Okay, it's without an S. So that's creating the migrations, basically creating everything, every step that you see here. It's created by the script automatically. And so you see that was very fast. Now I can reload my server. So close it, restart it. And now if I go to my homepage, there's not much that's changed. But if I try to sign up and I go to the login part, now I already have my email link set up with the UI and everything. And this is thanks to Tailwind already integrated with Lightning Rails. So if I put a random email, so test@test.com, doesn't matter that if it exists because we're in development, it's going to automatically send me with letter opener a fake email. The setup is already done also for production. You would just need to add your API key to Roku or any other hosting that you use. And then I just need to click sign in to demo, and boom, welcome back. You're signed in successfully. Now we can log out. So we are inside the app, and that was done just with 3 lines of code. So this is the new feature of Lightning Rails. I will be adding generators for almost any of this documentation so that you can go even faster, because at the end of the day, Lightning Rails is made for that. Thank you.